Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. I am back with another reveal video for Whimsy stamps, and today I'll be sharing the super cute Snow Angels stamp set. It is a 4x6 clear stamp set, and it comes with 3 main images, 3 little snowflakes, and then the footprints in the snow, and I love how they did little footprints for the snowman. There are also 3 sentiments that read, "Hello winter, let it snow, and baby it's cold outside." And that first little character measures 2 by 2 1/4 inches. The second one measures 1 3/4 by 2 inches. And the third one measures 2 by 2 1/4 inches. I do have a couple of samples to share with you. This first one I decided to do a slimline card. And I did add in the little footprints so you could see where they walked up to before they laid down in the snow and started making their snow angel marks in the snow. And then my second sample, I just used one of the little snow angels and the alphabet die set and used my little snow angel as an O. My third project is just a very quick and simple gift tag that I created using the Bookmark and Tag Die Set and the Tree Assortment Die Set. Those are my samples, and if you would like to see more samples, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog, and for even more inspiration, join us over on Instagram, and we'd love to have you join us in our Facebook group. And for more information regarding these products, I'll go ahead and have everything linked in the description box below for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.